What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to We Teach AI Designs. In this video, we're going to go over the best settings to use inside Midjourney. Let's get it. All right, so first thing we want to do is make sure we click the message right here. Usually we go to /imagine. That's where we place in our prompts, except for we want to / in settings. It should pop up, especially if you've done it a couple times. And you want to click enter the way you would kind of select any prompt. So from here, let's make this a little bit bigger here. You have the different options. MJ version 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to make sure that we're selected to MJ version 4. That means Midjourney version 4. What I do, because I have the unlimited version, I have selected high quality, which is twice the cost. If you currently have like a trial membership, I would definitely go down to base quality, simply because you don't want to use so many of your credits. Or if you have the $10 a month option, that means you have 250 credits roughly per month. It's going to use more credits. I have the style medium. What that means is the actual software Midjourney is going to kind of, it's going to style it. It's going to make it look, take over in terms of looking like a painting, but not so much that it looks like a cartoon with style very high. That's what that means. Regular upscale, I want it to be, the upscale they do is fine. I'm gonna upscale it with the third-party program, so regular upscale is fine. We have things on public because hey, everybody's using sharing each other prompts, and I think you have to pay extra if it's not. We're gonna click remix mode, so that way we can modify the prompts that we have, that just in case, like, hey, we have someone with a blue dress, now we want to have someone with a red dress. We want to have that flexibility to do so. And fast mode or relax mode. Fast mode and relax mode, it uses different capacity in terms of GPU. Okay, so what does that mean? Fast mode makes it that if you're making 10, 15 images back to back, it's going to create those images for you really fast, and all of it is fast. It's probably less than a minute. So with fast mode, if you continue to use fast mode, your GPU will be used up to whereas Midjourney would be like, hey, you gotta take a break. You gotta pause for 5, 10, 15 minutes before you create more images. With relax mode, what it does is it takes a little bit more time to process, but you don't use the GPU as fast, simply because it's gonna process it slower. And this is whether you or not you got an unlimited plan. I have an unlimited plan, and I had mine on fast mode, and they was like, hey, you need to take a break in terms of the GPU usage that you're using. We gotta give other people a chance to get in here. So these are my settings. MJ version 4, which is the best setting, that's non-negotiable. High quality, twice cost. If you have anything less than the $30 plan, then go to base quality. Style med medium, regular upscale, public mode, remix mode, fast mode. Hey, if you're gonna just mess around with this every once in a while. But relax mode, it definitely does take longer to process your images, but trust me, it's a whole lot faster than someone actually commissioning a actual artist to actually draw this out for you. So fast mode probably takes 30 seconds, while relax mode might take a full minute. So that's what I put it on there, just for the safe, just to be on the safe side. So again, you want to access settings, you want to / settings. It'll pop up and you'll see it. And also too, just to let you know, and you press enter as well, just to let you know, these settings are going to stay the same. So once you set this up the first time, you will be good from here on out. So just in case you want to modify some things when you get a little bit more experience, then that's what it is. All right, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and I would love for you to leave a comment and just let me know if you have any other questions about Midjourney, any settings, any issues that you're having. I'll be glad to help and create a video just for you. Until next time, y'all. Peace.